have been needing a new hair dryer. I've been really wanting a new hair dryer, but here's the thing. I'm a ride or die with a hair dryer until it legit is on its last leg. My last one I had for like 10 years. We're going on that for this one. I mean, she's fine, but I think like there's a lot of improvements, especially where we are in 2026, right? I mean, some of the technology you see. So we received a bit of an upgrade. Lange hair tools. I've been wanting to try like honestly all of them. Really now I'm just looking for a hair dryer, but I still would like a good hair dryer. So I'm gonna go take a shower and we're gonna be testing this out. Showered, freshly, ready to go. Lange. This is the HaloRing Hair Dryer. AXIA HaloRing Hair Dryer. And it's supposed to be the lightweight, like under a pound, lightest weight hair dryer that I'll own. Dry faster, Dry faster, style smarter, and reveal your silkiest, smoothest strands. Signature circular silhouette isn't just for looks, optimizes airflow, and of course, balance for faster, smoother styling. Comes with 4 heat settings, 2 fan speeds, and a wide temperature range from 140 to 230. I'm not a girl who really likes to use too much heat on her hair. I mean, when it's shorter, I use more. This is great. Let's try it. Total weight without cord is 1.1. Okay, so it isn't under a pound. Let's unbox and see what you get. My first time seeing her. Your first time seeing her. Yes, please. Okay. Comes with a little package for your magnetic holder. Love that. Also comes with the concentrator. Look how thin that is. That's crazy. And yeah, super lightweight. Oh my gosh. Alrighty. I don't know how to give myself a blowout, but I do have a round brush. And I think with this, I'd want to actually learn how to do a blowout. So maybe I'll just have to find some YouTube tutorials and try it out there. Not as bulky as the other one either. That'd be nice. First, using this tool, the default heat setting will go to the cool shot setting. After using your dryer, the memory function will appear. I say we're 70% dry. That's crazy. That was only like 2 minutes. Now I know I have short hair, but the other one... Okay. Now here's where I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. It's nice that you could like turn it this way, turn it this way. I'm gonna put it on a higher setting for heat. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna try. I'm gonna wrap this up and see you back on camera. Oh my goodness, my hair's completely dry, less than 15 minutes. Style, like I can walk out. Well, I don't know about the back. Please don't judge on the back. But it's dry. It's not really that frizzy. I haven't even put any products in my hair. Volume. 10 out of 10. And what I like about this, my hair would get caught in the screen all the time. Not here. Not even here. I had no issues. I can't get over it. You truly don't realize how outdated your like stuff is until you get like the upgraded version of like that product. I get it. This is so nice. I don't have that long nozzle. Oh my gosh. I can't get over it. And this is like with no experience of styling. Obviously I need to like really actually YouTube it and figure out how to do that. I don't know. 10 out of 10. Now I believe they have a deal going on for Amazon Prime Day deals that's happening this week. If so, I'll drop it below. I'll at least link this in the description below so you guys know what it is. Launch. I'm gonna have to get more of their products and more of their tools because this is innovation. This is 2026 and I can't believe it took me this long to get something like this. Thank you, Launch. I love it. And yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. I have more stuff that I'll be posting here in the future. I finally got my creative spark back, I feel. So stay tuned, subscribe, whatever. But anyway, I'll see you in the next video.